Hello everyone, my name is Sailen Kumar. Today I am going to discuss about in coordinate geometry point and line, right? Point and line. So we can say position of a line with respect to line, position of a given point with respect to a given line means this one is our straight line. Its equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a point p x1 y1, right? So p may be in the line or outside the line, right? If p lie in the line, it means it satisfy the equation of a line. Means when we will replace x with x1, y with y1, we will get your answer what? 0. Means LHS equal to 0 and RHS equal to 0, right? For example, if 2x plus 3y equal to 0, this is our line, and check out 0 comma 0 in the line or outside the line. So what we'll do, first replace with x with 0 and y with 0. So clearly 2 0 3 0 equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0 means point lie in the line, right? In case of point not lie in the line, what is the condition? In that case, value of a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 should be what? Not equal to 0, right? So let's see, 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Check out 1 0 lie or not in the line, right? So replace x with 1 and y with what? 0. So 2 1 plus 3 0 plus 6, clearly it is not equal to 0, means point lie or not lie inside the line, right? कहने का मतलब अगर पॉइंट जो गिवन पॉइंट है लाइन में लाई करेगा तो उस केस में उस लाइन की इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा। मीन्स जो वैल्यू RHS में विच इज़ इक्वल टू 0, इक्वेशन का मीनिंग ये होता है कि वन साइड इक्वल टू 0 और दूसरी साइड जो आपने वैल्यू पुट की है वो भी 0 आनी चाहिए। तो we can say as a result this point lie in the line, right? If not equal to 0 means point not lie in the line, right? So we are talking about perpendicular distance of a point to the line, right? एक पॉइंट XY प्लेन में है, उसी प्लेन में एक स्ट्रेट लाइन गिवन है, तो आपसे क्वेश्चन किया गया है कि क्या उसका परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होगा, राइट? दिस इज आवर टास्क. सो हाउ विल फाइंड आउट इट? लेट्स से consider an example 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0 and 2 comma 3 is our point. Now what is the perpendicular distance of a point from a line, right? So replace Same procedure, just one more thing add, which we'll see, right? So replace x with 2, 3 with what, 3 and 6, right? And one more step in this article, which is square of the coefficient. What is the coefficient of x? 2 square, add, and what is the coefficient of y? Clearly 3, right? And taking square root as well, right? आपको साथ में इसका स्क्वायर रूट भी लेना है, ये चीज़ें आपको पता होगी, राइट? अब जो स्क्वायर रूट आपने लिया है उसको करना क्या है कि डिवाइड कर देना है, 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ से क्या वैल्यू निकल कर आएगी? एक डिस्टेंस तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होती है, डिस्टेंस ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, राइट? सो टेक अ मॉडुलस, दिस इज आवर perpendicular distance. If we are talking about general form, then suppose x1 y1 is a given point and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are line, and what is the perpendicular distance of a point, right? So replace x with x1, a2 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2, and square root of coefficient square, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y, this one coefficient of x is this one, right? So this is the perpendicular distance of a point from a line, and we will able to create a several question and find out on self or other shelf, right? For example, 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0 are a line and a point 0, 0, right? So what is the distance of a point from a line? So put point in the line, or we can say replace x with 0 and y with 0. So 3 0 plus 2 0 plus 6, right? And coefficient means 3 and its square, add, and this one, right? So 6 root of 9 plus 4 equals 13, right? So this is a perpendicular distance of this point from this line, right? Now proceed further. Proceed further and proceed further. What is the distance between two parallel lines? Suppose you have two equations of a line, or we can say we have two parallel lines, and question is what is the distance between two parallel lines, right? Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x, right? a1x not a2 because of parallel lines, na? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This one is c1 and this one is c2, otherwise these two lines are identical. So first, in that case, we first find out perpendicular distance of origin from a line, right? So what is the perpendicular distance of this line? Clearly replace with x, what, x1 with 0 and y1 with 0, right? and divided by sum of the square of the coefficient, right? So basically c1 upon what, a1 square plus b1 square. And here what is the distance of origin to the line or from the line? We can say c2 upon a1 square plus b1 square. Now this one is our first step, this one our second step. Now third step is subtract these two, c1 minus c2, right? Which one is greater? Can't predict, so take modulus, because of this distance is always length are always positive, a1 square plus b1 square. So, right, so we can create several questions on this article, right? So we can create several questions in this what article. Find the area of a square whose two opposite sides are given. First one is 2x plus 3y plus 3 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. If these two sides, opposite sides of a square, then what is the area, right? So first find out the distance between two parallel lines, distance between two sides, right, of a square. This is in opposite, right? Suppose this one is first line and this one is our second line, and shape of a square is like this. So and what is the definition of a square? Length are equal. So first, if once you find out the distance between two lines, then we can claim this one is also same. So try to find out distance between two parallel lines. We have studied just, right? So 3 upon distance of origin from a point is equal to, replace x with 0, y with 0 and 3, this one, and the square of a coefficient along with addition, right? And here 6 upon this one, 2 square plus 3 square, right? So here what is the distance between two opposite sides? Clearly 6 minus 3 upon what? Denominator equals, so we can merge, right? So here 3 upon what? 3 square plus 2 square, which is again equal to 3 upon 9 plus 4 is equal to what? 13, right? So what is the area formula? What formula use to calculate area? A square, right? A is what? Sides, length of the sides of a square. So here right, what? 3 upon what? 13. So this one is square, 9 upon 13 is our answer, right? So we can create again infinitely many questions on the articles and solve it itself or other self. Thanks.